Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening Settings, then scroll all the way down, select General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Over here you need to scroll down and click on Theme. Now pick the one that you like the best. I will go with Solid Dark, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!